Hello everyone, so my name is Dilhan Cheto. Today we are going to talk about the Mana Mushas, one of the visitors people who's Arabic. In the 14th century, they are looking up for the richest people of this 14th century. They were learning about these people and these oppressions. Okay, so let me are talking about this. The richest people, they say that they are the biggest, wicked species. The one in the Jones, the are questions. They are the two ornaments. These are called Mushar and Musafench. The one is the 14th century, the king of the kings. This lastly in this Africa, this Lord is virtually this many court and many stations. For in the world is are these castles, it's by everything. When you are everything else in the Africa. This north is kingdom and follows sea and Smasher Wizard played a rich role from this to Africa. This did not to be linked this causing this marble prize. This or the racing balls and or important chains because anything else is lastly on the station. This roads and bureaus in the experience this is called Africa. This lastly are mainly pride for the goals and the shots. The competition in the 1324. The one of the tokens in the power they are going to casino and looking at something else. The rods in the statues form the speed light very harder, they are the reader record. So it is very difficult to speed the shyness or they cannot lead more people. There's lost a lot of people, they are the zero Robins and of the house has people they are lonely and heroes go the stars and the size. Such the goals and silver. The North-Westly and the Carmel and the city are the carriers. The losses managed in Lucifer. These are the word to be buying the shrubbery, buying the castle, buying this anything else in this casino. Like when the Armenians, these are the camels, the rod with the tower and its armies. When Germany stroking stood as in a year of the man's merits. Though his is timber, they are the tumbler and the king of the Verles in the 30s, 75. The slaughter Catalan at 5. The important word math, where you're at be sad and Mushafa. License holding else, the Lord is anything else when your dad is himself of his the math. This is the mysterious and important of the king of the kingdom. The daily are its meters Musar, and a lot is relational, the lost in his experiments. Born out of visions, they are love the someone that have worked the same. The dynasty, the Aziz and Studio, or the Isolati, the word and are over of the Africa. The honors of missiles in the empire lost in the latest for the tower than anything else they did in Africa. They are the motions or the word it is today. Does anything it are business for the Mali history is all looking for the Richard man in the 14th century. That is the one passion they can do is as village. Okay, this video you have the listening and comprehension when I speak. I hope you join us and see you next time. Till you bye.